Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Curious how to pull text from photos and edit it in seconds? I'll show you how. First, click Create, then select Custom Size and enter 300 by 300 pixels. Next, click Elements, choose Photos, and type Family into the search bar to find relevant images for your design. Next, click to select an image from the gallery to apply in your project. Select the image you want to use, then click Edit. Next, choose Image to set it as the background. This will apply the selected image as the background for your project. In Tools, click See All. Scroll down and find Magic Grab. Select Magic Grab, located at the bottom of the list, to access advanced element selection features quickly and easily. Click Magic Grab. This feature is available only to Canva Premium users, so ensure you have a subscription to access and use Magic Grab in your projects. There are three options. First, use the brush tool to paint over areas you want to select. Carefully apply the brush to highlight the image parts for selection. This prepares the image for further editing or extraction. Click Grab to activate the Move tool. Now, after applying the brush function, you can reposition the image freely. To finalize, click the desired area to confirm the placement. This allows precise adjustments of your image after brushing, enhancing control and accuracy in your editing workflow. Press the keyboard shortcut to open Auto Edit. Click Image, select See All, then choose Magic Wrap to apply the effect to your image automatically. Click the image directly, no brushing needed. Simply select the image and then click the Grab button to capture it. This quick method saves time and simplifies the process, allowing you to easily extract the image without extra steps or effort. Now you can move the image freely. To delete it, go to Edit Image. Select All Magic Graph, then choose the Foreground function. This feature allows you to isolate and work specifically with the foreground elements of the image for more precise editing. Use it to enhance your adjustments efficiently. Select any element on the image, such as the three pictures shown. Click the Foreground button, then click Grab. This will capture the selected elements for further editing or manipulation within the software. Make sure all desired elements are highlighted before proceeding. Apply the Grab tool to the image by selecting it from the toolbar. Click and drag to move the image as needed. If satisfied, return to the original photo by clicking the back button. Now, try using another tool to continue editing or enhancing the image for your desired effect. Click Edit, then select Magic Grab. Choose Foreground to activate it. This feature allows you to select any selectable image element within the current image, isolating it efficiently for further editing or adjustments. Use it to grab the foreground object precisely. You can easily grab the items without selecting anything. Next, click the Delete button to remove unwanted elements. This action clears your workspace efficiently. After completing these steps, review your project to ensure it meets your expectations. This is your final output, ready for the next phase or to be saved as needed. Click Share, then select Download. Choose PNG format, increase the size to improve image quality, and finally, click Download to save your enhanced image to your device. Now you can easily edit text on any photo with Canva Grab Text. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.